Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change Hostinger email. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to the Hostinger homepage by typing hpanel.hostinger.com into your browser's address bar. And once you're successfully logged in, you're ready to begin. On the dashboard, locate your profile icon and click on it. Here, look for a tab labeled Account Information and click it. This will take you to a more detailed view of your account settings, which is exactly where we need to be. Now, focus on the account settings. You'll notice a section dedicated to your email address. Click on it, and a new window or section will open up where you can modify your details. Enter the new email address you'd like to use in the designated field. Double-check it for accuracy, as this email will be used for important communication and recovery purposes. Once you're sure everything is correct, click Continue. At this stage, Hostinger will send a confirmation email to the excising address you provided. This is a security step to verify that the email is valid. And that's it. So that is how you can change Hostinger email. So that's all for this video. Thanks.